Today we're going to be creating our first game. I want you to look at your desktop and you should have an icon that looks something like this. It's called Game Maker 5. And I want you to double click this and you should open up Game Maker. Let's look at the program just for a minute. If you look at the left hand side, these are the different things that we can add or create that will ultimately go to make our game. The first thing we need to add are sprites. Sprites are the little graphics that are going to be part of our game, and almost any graphic that you put in your game has to have a sprite first. So we're going to go to Add and add a sprite and go where it says Load Sprite, and you're going to go to the TechGirls folder, TechGirls Game folder, Sprites, and find Wall GIF. It's a GIF file, Wall. And we're going to name this SPR Wall. You always leave the prefix for SPR so that you know that it's a sprite. And we click OK. Next, we're going to load a sprite, and this time we're going to load the person. Looks like a little teddy bear. So this will be SPR Person. And we're going to add another sprite, and this is the goal. Here we go. And so that'll be named SPR Goal. Okay. Something else you'll notice in the wall, you see how it's this little area here is transparent. So double click the icon of the little picture and take away the word transparent, uncheck this, and that'll make it actually show up like a solid object. So far we should have 3 sprites: sprite wall, sprite person, sprite goal. Now sprites act as kind of like cookie cutters. We can make lots of people, lots of parts of the walls by using one of these sprites. So what we do is we create objects based on the sprites. So we want to go to Add, and this time add an object. And pick a sprite. So we're going to pick Wall. I just clicked on this little blue icon here. And this will be Object Wall. Make it solid. That's so the people can't go through the wall. Add another object. This time the person. You do not want it to be solid. And last, add another object. This time the goal. So this will be object goal. Alright. So now we've got pretty much everything that we need to get started with our game. That's step 1.